top 5 user-friendly video editing apps for beginners.
Looking to dip your toes into video editing on your phone? Not sure which apps make it easiest to get started? Discover the top 5 beginner-friendly video editing apps, each designed with intuitive interfaces and helpful features, perfect for newcomers to video editing.
1. iMovie.
iMovie stands out with its simple drag-and-drop interface and built-in templates. Available for iPhone and iPad, it allows beginners to cut, trim, and add music with ease. Its guided features mean you can create professional-looking videos even if you have no prior experience.
2. InShot.
InShot is a favorite among mobile users for its straightforward controls and clear layout. It's easy to import clips, apply filters, adjust speed, and add music or text. InShot is ideal for social media content and provides plenty of tutorials to help you get started.
3. KineMaster.
The KineMaster offers a balance of powerful features and beginner-friendly tools. Its interactive timeline, simple menu system, and real-time project previews help new users edit videos with ease. Step-by-step tutorials and prompt guidance make complex edits accessible to everyone.
4. Adobe Premiere Rush.
Adobe Premiere Rush provides a streamlined editing experience for both iOS and Android. Its intuitive layout lets you quickly trim clips, add transitions, and include audio. Premiere Rush syncs projects across devices, making it easy to start editing wherever you are.
5. Quik by GoPro.
Quik by GoPro is perfect for absolute beginners who want fast results. Import footage, choose a style, and Quik automatically applies edits, transitions, and music. You can still tweak your video if you'd like, but Quik's automated tools make editing nearly effortless.
Choosing the right app.
Each of these apps offers something unique for beginners, whether it's simplicity, guided steps, or automatic edits. Try a few to find the one that fits your needs best. With the right app, creating great videos is easier than ever, even if you're just getting started.